In this video, I just wanted to show you the use case of retail and e-commerce. So let's take this situation where the customer will upload a photo of his living room, and then he also uploads these four arts. And the thing he's interested in is this: which of these four art suits his living room the best? And also he wants to know the explanation of why it is so. So how do we do that? We just have these four art image URLs. We read all of them. I generate my prompt. The prompt is: you are an interior designer. For each piece of wall art, explain whether it would be appropriate for the style of the room. Rank each piece according to how well it would be compatible in the room. And then I create a contents for the LLM. Consider the following art pieces: art 1, art 2, art 3, art 4, the four images. Then the living room, the room image, and then the prompt. And I just do a multimodal model.generate content, and I get my responses, and I show you the response. So you can see the living room and the four arts. And then here you can see that the model has ranked the four arts with description, why it has ranked it at the top and so on. For example, just take the first rank, which is the art 2, this art. And if you see the living room, you'll feel like the first two are the only closest match, and art 2 and then art 1, which is basically the first two, right? Then we can see suitably, highly appropriate explanation. This minimalist botanical print aligns perfectly with the room's existing aesthetic. The neutral palette, organic shapes, and simple composition complements the natural material, leather, wood, and warm, earthy tones already present. It would add a touch of visual interest without disrupting the serene and understated ambience. So basically, it's able to rank the four art with some explanation of why it did so. Okay. So you can see how powerful these LLMs are. This is one more example of higher modality. Again, we have a video, and you can see this video. And if you see that at 49 seconds, you can see that at 49 seconds, this is the photo. And I have another photo, which is the same, by the way, right? Now, the prompt is that look through each frame in the video carefully and answer the question. Only base your answer strictly on what information is available in the video attached. Do not make up any information that is not part of the video, and do not be too verbose. Be straightforward. And then I have two questions. First one is: when is the moment in the image happening in the video? Provide a timestamp. What is the context of the moment, and what does the narrator say about it? Again, I create my contents: video file, image file, prompt. Again, I generate the content, and this is what I get. First thing is, it is able to tell me the timestamp, which is 49 seconds, which is insane, right? This is where the narrator mentions the story about a blind man and his girlfriend and so on. It tells you something about that moment. But anyways, the point is, you can see how powerful these LLMs are.